Okay, so we're in Sichos Haran, Samach Aleph. Shamati b'shmo she'amar she'ikar avodas ish ha'Yisraeli hu b'choref lakum b'chatzos halayla u'b'kayetz b'eish halayla katzar me'od az yizar la'amod b'boker hashkim kalos ha'shachar. So he says that whether it's in the winter or the summer, the idea is to do tikkun chatzos or to wake up early. What's the idea? That in the winter, the night is longer, meaning it becomes dark earlier in the night. So to wake up at chatzos means you're breaking up your sleep. In the summer, you're not even going to sleep really until then. So it's more about waking up early. The idea is to be, again, Mosar Nefesh, to be able to push your limits, to say, how can I serve Hashem in the greatest way possible? Obviously in a way that is healthy, in a way that is organic, and that is natural to you, and is not with any unhealthy amount of pushing yourself, but within a derech of sweetness, of saying, how can I, but how can I push myself to do more? How can I show Hashem that I am fully dedicated to Him? And the next piece goes on to say, says that Reb Nachman was just saying these things again and again and again, and this is what he said. He said, ha'ikar hu mi beten. He says the ikar is the tefillah of Yonah. The main prayer is the prayer of Yonah. And which prayer was he referring to? He was referring to the prayer that says, Vayomar karasi mitzara li el Hashem v'ya'aneni. Mi beten Shaul shavati shamata koli. Says that Hashem, that I reached out to you from the depths of the stomach of this whale, right? That Yonah was thrown overboard and he was put into the stomach of the whale. And from there he says, I believe that you're going to save me. The Metzudas David gives a parish on this, and he says that not only that he says, I believe, but rather yadati, that I know you're going to answer me. How did he know? He's literally in the stomach of a whale. How did he know? He said when belief is something so firm within you, then it goes from hope and belief into knowledge, into knowing. Says that that is the prayer, to say that literally to never give up, even in the worst situation. That's why with Nachman, it makes sense how much he would love this tefillah of Yonah, of saying that literally in the depths of the depths inside the stomach of a whale, you are still having faith that Hashem can take you out of this. You are still believing that Hashem can take you out of this. And it says, one of the Perushim says that when Yonah was ready to be thrown overboard, it's because he gave up. He said, I'm done. I'm not the guy that I could be. I'm not the person that Hashem wants me to be. I'm done. Throw me overboard. My life's over. Really. And Yonah was thrown overboard. And he accepted his fate. He said, I'm going to die. I accept that. I deserve to die. He got swallowed by the whale, and then he saw that for 3 days and 3 nights he's in the stomach of a whale and he's not dying. For 3 days and 3 nights Hashem is sustaining him miraculously. And that's when he realized, Hashem wants me alive. Hashem wants me. I have something to do here. I have something to contribute. I have something to bring to the table. Hashem wants me to be here. From the whale stomach, from the lowest depths, Mishal Tachti Mamish, from the lowest depths, he said, I realize that Hashem still wants me. To ourselves, there are many times when we feel, that's it. I'm ready to give up. I'm ready to throw in the towel on something. But to realize that Hashem is still giving us chiyus, Hashem is still believing in us. And that's why this is the most quintessential Torah, quintessential prayer that aligns itself with the philosophy, with the approach, the derech hachayim of Rav Nachman, which is that even in the lowest place, if you look, you will see the Yad Hashem. Not just in the lowest place you will believe, but in the lowest place you will realize that Hashem is still doing miracles for you. Hashem is still sustaining you. Hashem is still believing in you actively, even from the lowest place. And our job is to acknowledge that, and then to know that Hashem cares for us, and to know that Hashem believes in us. And in turn, you start to believe in yourself. Okay.